in today's video, I am going to be reviewing Javy coffee. It's a concentrate coffee, so it's a liquid, and you only need a little bit, so that's what I'm excited for. I'm really excited to see how well it does, because I can only drink one cup of coffee a day. So I am really excited to see how long this works like for the day for me, because just the one coffee that I normally take, by the time I clock out, I'm like crashing. So we're gonna see how this coffee works, you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping in, and I hope that you decide to stick around and click that subscribe button, and also show me some love by clicking on that like and leaving me a comment. Let me know if you're new. Even if you're not new, I love to talk with you guys. And also in this video, I wanted to announce, if you don't already know, that I am finally monetized through YouTube, and because of that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I don't know if most of you know, but some of you know that I do have an online store. So the giveaway will be one item from my online store. If you want to join in, all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, make sure that you're subscribed and comment down below, I want in, and I will leave the link to my store in the description box, so you can go ahead and look and see if there's an item on there that you want, and we'll go from there. So Javy coffee, I hope I'm saying that right, is a concentrate, as stated before, and you can put up to 1 to 2 teaspoons in any beverage of your choice, whether it be a protein shake, water like I did, milk, anything that you want to use to create your favorite drink of your choice. It's up to you. I'm a simple girl. I just use water and coffee and creamer, so it's just as simple as that. So here you'll see me pouring in this. I put in one teaspoon for this cup, and it mixed very well. I was kind of like, how in the world is this gonna be coffee? But it did pretty good when I mixed it up. So you'll see that in a few. Okay, you guys, this is a new creamer for me. I've never had oat creamer before. I drink the silk almond creamer, but I've never had oat creamer. And I heard that this was really good, so I'm testing it out, and you'll see later on that it was a big mistake. Okay, I have made it down to my desk and getting ready to work. I work from home, and I'm taking my first sip, trying to see how I like it. So at first thought, I was like, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be good or not. So I'm sipping it again. And turns out later that I discovered that it was not the coffee. It was definitely the creamer, you guys. So the coffee is delicious. I love it. So just stick with me to see the ending results. Okay, you guys, so today is a new day. This is the next day. It's Saturday morning. Let me just tell you guys, I did not want to finish this video off of yesterday's cup of coffee, because this creamer right here is terrible. It is terrible. This was my first time trying it out, and I should have just waited and tried it with another different kind of coffee. But this creamer right here is nasty. It left a bad taste in my mouth. I couldn't even drink yesterday's cup of coffee. So I did not want to do a review based off of this creamer for the coffee. I couldn't even get through the cup. But today I used my favorite creamer, and I've already fixed my cup of coffee, so I'm going to taste it. Yes. This is good, y'all. Whew. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Don't use that creamer. If you're like me and you don't put sugar in your coffee, that's not the creamer for you. You don't like bad taste in your mouth, don't get that creamer. But the coffee, on the other hand, this coffee is really good, y'all. This is a 6-ounce bottle, and it's 30 servings, so you can't beat that. You do have to put it in the refrigerator once you open it, and you can do 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee. Of the liquid. It's a liquid concentrate. And you can go to JavyCoffee.com and purchase you some. I will leave my coupon code right here and also in my description. And I hope you guys go out and get you some of this concentrate coffee. You can't look at how much space it's gonna take. You know how the K-cups take up a lot of space? Look at this. This is just a little bottle. There's one in your refrigerator. So you can't beat that. And I would like to shout out to Javy for sponsoring this video. I really love the coffee, and I highly recommend it. So you guys make sure that you pay their website a visit. I enjoyed doing this video, and I will chat with you all in the next one. Bye.